Meet Firenze. This small-scale, compact unit offers a sleek and refined look without sacrificing on functionality. The Firenze is the perfect way to optimize space in your practice and serve your patient needs while still achieving an upscale, modern atmosphere. The design is completely customizable. Leather, metal, and wood components are available in a variety of color options, so you can select a design that suits the style of your practice. The entire unit is also totally adjustable. Our simple touchpad design allows you to alter the table height and position from side to side. Advanced safety features will detect the patient's legs and automatically stop the table from lowering any further. Doctors can also manually shift between the two instruments that are mounted on the sliding exam table. A magnetic locking system is enabled when the table is in a working position. This includes manual brakes to stabilize the table and equipment to prevent accidental movement. These locking features can be released with the simple push of a button. Both the angle and the back and forth movement of the chair can be modified to comfortably accommodate patients of all sizes. It is possible to swivel, rotate, and recline the seat for patient comfort, depending on the type of procedure being performed. The chair arms and steel footrest are movable, and the entire chair is easily removable for those patients who are physically disabled. The counterbalance phoropter arm is manually operated, so doctors can easily adjust the position. It relies on a counterbalance of weight, which makes raising and lowering the mechanism effortless and seamless during an exam. The table is also equipment plug-in ready. You'll be able to pre-wire the unit using hidden cable slots underneath the surfaces. The design even encompasses discrete spaces to connect power cords to equipment and maintain the sleek, refined design. This way you can avoid unnecessary exposure of wires. Firenze is easy to control from a centralized touchpad. The well-designed console sits close to the doctor so they can control the lamp and lighting, including turning it on or off and dimming options. It also allows for control of the table position and any other electronic equipment that may be connected to the table for exams. Firenze is a great addition to your practice. Its compact design is elegant and precise, without compromising or sacrificing any functionality. Its advanced technology will benefit your practice, especially in a tight space, and still deliver performance equivalent to a larger scale unit and a great aesthetic. US Ophthalmic, a vision that inspires yours.